Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to get clear and clean output in VS Code while running your programs using Code Runner extension. So by default, whenever you run any sort of Python or Java, C++ program, so you basically click on run code using Code Runner extension. So you see this messy output and it really confuses you. So I will show you in this video how to get a clean output. Only this output will be present rather than all these things will be deleted. So for this you do need to have code runner extension, which I am assuming while you are watching this video you should have installed this extension. So it's a very popular extension, so just make sure that you install this extension. After that we need to go to settings. So go to file inside the menu and go to preferences settings, and inside the settings option you need to simply search for code runner, and we just need to enable some settings here. If you simply search code runner directly, we need to check mark this option, which is code runner clear previous output. So just check mark this option, and then the second thing we need to think is the if you just drag down you will see this option code runner run in terminal. So by default it will be ticked. You need to untick this option, so just untick this option. And the third thing is this one, show execution message. So by default this also will be ticked. You just need to untick this. So untick this, that's all that we need to do. And now if you run the same thing once again, you will see only the output, clean output you will get, not the previous messages that you saw earlier. So if I change this here, again run the program once again, so the previous output will also be deleted, so you will only get the output that you want. So if I edit this, so just to show you it's working, so 4 hello world statements will be printed out. So you basically get a clean output in VS Code using code runner extension. So these are the settings that you need to do. Simply go to settings and just untick the things that I showed you. Just untick this show execution run in terminal and just tick mark this option clear previous output. So please hit that like button, also subscribe, and if your problem is solved please comment as well.